This was my main introduction into Netskope. So initially just looking after our infrastructure as long as some of our platforms and applications, we had a traditional VPN service, which is a connect-on-logon or pre-logon, providing access full scale to the systems. It was a legacy tool. It runs into scalability issues. It runs into performance issues. So there was a need to move away into something more modern, backed by the right service level agreements, but not just that, with the right modern architecture. So yes, absolutely, Netskope provides us a ZTNA. We can start reducing those blast doors around the various infrastructures, but also it's backed by the data centers that Netskope has in place. That means the data center is not going to run into overutilization. We're going to maximize that performance, which is critical, but it maintains the stability that we require. And I think there's a big benefit we receive from the backbone of Netskope with the service it offers. It means we can offer the same level of controls and the same enforcement, but also the same performance. I think that's the other critical thing. So when we mention balancing security and performance, Netskope has provided that services to us, faster routes there, M365, which is the critical tool sets that we're generally utilizing, as well as private applications.